Hey everybody, welcome to Missouri, snowy Missouri. Winter storm, I think it's called Gia. Yeah, nice. I don't know how much snow we got. You guys, here's my, I'd say it's probably, I don't know, 12, 14 inches so far. Still snowing. Supposed to get somewhere around 16 to 18 inches. Yeah, for you guys in the south in Arizona, you could be up here with all this. See what you're missing out on? Yeah, you guys, this is I'd rather be in Arizona in the desert than have to deal with this stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start working on digging out here when the snow stops, maybe later today. I don't know. We'll see. They're not sure how long it's gonna last. But yeah. You need snowshoes for too long. Lovely. Anyway, we get ready to do some clearing, and I'll get back with you guys when we get ready to do some clearing here later on if it stops snowing. So just wanted to give you guys an idea what we're dealing up here in the Midwest. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.